How to download SafePal application on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to download and get started using SafePal on your computer or laptops, here's how you do it. First things first, open a web browser on your computer or your laptop. Once you're inside, go to the search bar at the top and type in safepal.com/download and search. Now you'll come across this home page of SafePal. From the home screen, go ahead and look for the browser option. Click on it and click on either you'd like to install SafePal on Chrome or for Edge. Choose your web browser from the list. Now follow through the instructions. You'll be taken to this SafePal extension wallet option. Click on Add to Chrome. Now click on Add extension and you have successfully downloaded and added the SafePal extension wallet to your web browser. And that's how you can download and use SafePal on your Windows or your PC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.